Hey guys, this is Calvin with Improver. In this video, I'm going to show you how to complete an action cycle or a PDCA or PDSA cycle or a regular routine update if you're using the 4 disciplines of execution terminology. I am acting as Mr. Abraham Lincoln here and I'm signed in. So if it's your first time signing in for the day, it will actually provide you this, what we call kata cards workflow automatically upon sign in. If it's not your first time signing in, you simply click this pin and it will provide you the same workflow. All right, in order to complete an action cycle, the first thing you need to do is declare that you have completed the action. Here I was going to start tracking lead time for each order shipped. I am now doing that. I'm going from incomplete to complete here. And my lead time has gone down to 19 days. Now it wants to know what I learned from taking this action. So I learned that lead times are wildly variable. I'm going to click next here. The next thing it wants to know is, has your objective changed? My challenge has not changed. My target condition has not changed. So I'm just going to click no change. And then I'm going to commit to my next action. And this is very important because what Improver's doing here is just keeping you in a chain of commitment and a chain of action. So here I'm going to commit to my next action, which is going to be to create a Pareto analysis of the most common causes of lead time variation. And what do I expect to happen from this? I'm going to have a better understanding of what's driving lead time. I simply click next and I finish. Notice that took all of about 30 seconds to do. And look what I got here. Again, my challenge hasn't changed. My next target hasn't changed. My achieve by date hasn't changed. And I've got my data point added here. So I'm down to 19 days per lead time and I'm trying to get down to 15 here. Scroll down, notice here. Now I've completed this action, which is start tracking lead time for each order. I expected it to get down to 19 days. And my key learning is that lead times are wildly variable. What I expected actually did happen. If I'm coaching Mr. Lincoln here, I want to make sure I understand what the difference is between what I expected and what actually happened, just so if there is a difference, it just highlights that there's a learning opportunity, and we want to tease that out and take full advantage of this action to drive learning and people development. Next thing here, upcoming action. I've got a new commitment in place. By the time Mr. Lincoln and I meet again next week, I expect this to be done. Notice that we're taking one step at a time toward that target condition, which is a process that is superior to creating a 50-point plan. But this is saying, hey, just take one step. Let's learn from what we did. Let's embrace the reality of the situation. Now let's decide our next step and then commit and then execute. So next item here, create a Pareto of the most common causes of lead time variation. And I expect to understand what's driving lead time. And that's it. Hope you liked the video. Hope you found this helpful. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out at improver.com. And if you need to, you can reach us here, chat with Coach, drop us a message, and someone will reach out to you shortly. Have an amazing day. Thank you.